Dazzle your walls with effortless elegance. This video unveils Snv Decor's revolutionary self-adhesive mosaic tiles, taking home decor to a whole new level of luxury and ease. Ditch the messy grout and embrace a stunning transformation, no matter your DIY expertise. Unleash the magic of mosaics. Witness the mesmerizing beauty of mosaic patterns, from classic to contemporary, brought to life in vibrant colors and textures. Effortless application. Ditch the tools and embrace pure convenience. These self-adhesive tiles stick to virtually any surface, making revamps quicker and cleaner than ever. Premium quality, stunning results. Indulge in high-quality materials that promise exceptional durability and shine. Imagine sparkling kitchen backsplashes, eye-catching bathroom accents, or even a statement living room wall. The possibilities are endless. DIY-friendly delight. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, Snv Decor's self-adhesive mosaics cater to all. No specialist skills required, just creativity and a can-do spirit. More than just mosaics, discover the versatility. From countertops and floors to furniture and outdoor accents, these tiles breathe new life into any space. This video is your one-stop guide to unlocking the potential of Snv Decor's self-adhesive mosaic tiles. Get ready to be amazed by their effortless beauty. Witness the transformative power of mosaics without the mess. Unmatched convenience. Experience DIY delight with simple peel and stick application. Boundless creativity. Explore endless design possibilities for every room in your home.